Good day to everyone. Welcome to our future presentation on why landscaping is the cheapest method to increase the value of a property. My name is Dennis Assis, the president of Transcape Landscaping. So landscaping is often considered one of the cheapest methods to increase the value of a property for several reasons. Number 1, curb appeal. Well-designed landscaping enhances the visual appeal of a property. A beautifully landscaped front yard creates a positive first impression, attracting potential buyers and increasing the property's perceived value. Number 2, low-cost maintenance. Once established, many landscaping elements require minimal upkeep, such as mowing the lawn or trimming bushes. This low ongoing maintenance cost makes landscaping an economical long-term investment. Number 3, energy efficiency. Strategically placed trees and shrubs can provide shade and windbreaks, reducing energy bills by cooling the house in summer and blocking cold winds. Lower energy costs can be a selling point for potential buyers. Number 4, enhanced usability. Landscaping can expand the usable outdoor space, creating areas for recreation, relaxation, or entertainment. These additional living spaces can make the property more attractive to buyers without requiring significant construction cost. Number 5, erosion control. Proper landscaping can help prevent erosion and water runoff issues. This can save money on potential repairs and foundation damage, which can negatively impact a property's value. 7, increased property size. Landscaping can visually expand the perception of property size. A thoughtfully designed landscape can make a small lot appear more spacious, potentially increasing its value. It can help your property command a higher price in the market. And last but not the least, resale value. Landscaping investments often yield a high return on investment or ROI when selling a property. It's a cost-effective way to boost the resale value of your home compared to more expensive renovations or additions. And these are the core values we target to deliver on our projects to increase the value of your properties. Now, let me take the opportunity to tell more about our company and how we started. Our journeys trace back to the 1990s when we began our careers in the landscaping industry. The previous company ceased operations due to COVID-2019. People lost opportunities to do their passions. And me, with the president's experience in land development as a field architect, we wanted to continue the artisan's passions, which is landscaping. And in 2019, a team of architect and landscape artisans with decades of experience in Cavite started the company Transcape Landscaping. Me as the president, and together with the vice president, head of operations, and the admin. And who, by the way, are among our smart clients who saved money and increased their properties. This is Asis Cañedo Residence in South Plains Executive Village, located in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. Attorney Bunyi Residence in Orchard Golf Country Club in Dasmariñas City, Cavite. We had also smart clients in Imo City, Cavite, such as we proposed Rockwall Garden. We had also private residences in the Pacific Terraces community, also in Imo City, Cavite. We also proposed grottos for their rock gardens or their backyard gardens. And aside from that, we can offer to you the following specialty services: constructions of gazebos, pavilions, walkways that can transform your outdoor spaces, installations of park benches for comfortability and invitability of public spaces. We also integrate landscape water system for parks and residences. We also do land lighting systems outside buildings that create and enhance nightscapes that promotes public safety. And also, we can do for you maintenances such as mowing, pruning, applying fertilizers, and etc. Brothers and sisters, let me share to you our dream referrals. And these are the following: like the homeowners at Novales Santa Rosa, Laguna, Ayala West Grove Heights homeowners, and also top celebrities that who enjoy farming and gardening like Sara Geronimo, Bea Alonso, and Coco Martin, and etc. Brothers and sisters, we are very excited to transform your dream outdoor spaces into life and further increase its property value. For landscaping that elevates spaces, do not hesitate to reach us and contact us today. We offer very affordable prices and high quality top services. Transcape Landscaping Services, transforming by heart.